We'll guide you through how to get the Facebook Marketplace back. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and so you find that the Marketplace option isn't showing. We're going to guide you through how you can try getting it back. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, as we're guiding you through different things you can try doing. So to get started, make sure you're using your main profile. Otherwise, that may be why it's not showing. So in the bottom right, you can tap and hold, and you can go and choose your main profile, and hopefully you will then go and see the option. Now, the next thing you can try doing is coming to the top left and pressing the three lines. Go down the list and find the option for settings and privacy and tap on it to expand it, and in there find settings and tap on it. Now you want to go and scroll down into the preferences list, find the option for tab bar and tap there. At the top, press customize the bar. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and locate Marketplace. It may be in available or even hidden. You can then go over to the right of it and find it. Mine is currently set to hidden, but what we can do is go and set it to pinned. And as you can see, it's now appeared at the bottom. I can come back to the home and I can still go and see it there and tap on it to go and access it. So that's it. That is how you can get it back. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.